Promote remote work with PRM Field Asset KPI Reports. In the new normal era, our work style is changing dramatically. In order to minimize travel and contact with people, it is becoming commonplace to work remotely. On the other hand, is this feasible for plant maintenance? Plant maintenance is always done on site. You can't grasp the situation if you are not in the field. Remote plant maintenance is absolutely impossible. Don't you think so? That's why we'd like to propose Field Asset KPI Reports, provided by Yokogawa PRM. It is a solution that visualizes the overall health status of plant equipment in a report format. Field Asset KPI Reports present the operating status of plant equipment with intuitive graphics. Since the number is shown for each device status, it is also possible to grasp the detailed situation. In addition to configuring automatic report creation for PRM, it is also possible to automatically send reports by email. You can check daily equipment performance and be notified of equipment malfunctions at home. Furthermore, it is also possible to share KPI reports with stakeholders and make maintenance plans. Now, let's use Field Asset KPI Reports to remotely maintain and increase your plant productivity. For more details, please see the Yokogawa official website or ask your local Yokogawa distributor.